In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Outlook. This integration helps you bring your customer relationship workflows closer to the email and calendar tools you already use every day. By following these steps, you will be able to connect Zoho CRM to Microsoft Outlook through the Zoho CRM add-in, so your work can flow more smoothly between platforms. To begin, open Zoho CRM and look for the Setup area. In the Zoho interface, you will find Setup represented by a gear icon. It is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click the Setup gear icon now. Taking this step first is important because the marketplace and installation options are managed from within Setup. Once you click the gear icon, you will see the Setup menu open. From there, you need to locate the Marketplace option. The Marketplace is where you can find available add-ons and integrations for different products. When you find it, click Marketplace. If you do not see it immediately, take a moment to scan the menu categories and look for the option labeled Marketplace. Next, you will be taken to the Marketplace area. This is where Zoho lists integrations, extensions, and tools that you can install. In the Marketplace page, look for the option to search or browse by Microsoft. You should then find Microsoft and click it. This step filters the results to items related specifically to Microsoft products, which helps you quickly reach the Outlook integration. After you select Microsoft, you will see the Microsoft-related offerings. Now locate Outlook in that list and click it. This is the key step that narrows the choices to the Outlook integration. At this point, you should be looking for a specific entry related to Zoho CRM for Microsoft Outlook, since that is the add-in you will install. One Tangimino, with Outlook selected, you will see an option to install the Zoho CRM integration for Outlook. Find and click Install under the Zoho CRM for Microsoft Outlook listing. When you click Install, the system will prepare the add-in and open the authorization flow. This step matters because installation alone is not enough. You still need to connect and approve access so Outlook can communicate with Zoho CRM. Now the screen will ask you to enter your Outlook credentials in order to authorize the connection. Carefully enter the required Outlook sign-in details when prompted. Make sure you enter them accurately and follow any on-screen verification steps that your organization uses. After you finish entering your credentials, click Authorize. This is the approval stage that grants permission for the Zoho add-in to work with your Outlook account. Once authorization is complete, return to the Zoho side to confirm the connection is active. Depending on your account and your environment, this may happen automatically, or you may see a confirmation that the add-in is installed. If the process asks you to close or reload Outlook, follow that guidance so the add-in can be recognized properly in your email and calendar interface. At this point, you should be ready to use the integration features within Outlook. With the Zoho CRM for Microsoft Outlook add-in installed and authorized, your Outlook experience can be enhanced with CRM-related actions, helping you manage contacts and customer activity more efficiently. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.